We're going to replace a glass crystal on a pocket watch. The fit on these has to be almost near perfect because it's glass. There's no flex like a plastic one. With the old crystal removed, we're going to take a toothpick and just carve out all the debris in this little channel along here. Blow out all the dust with a little compressor. Clean the lens with a little bit of rubbing alcohol. We'll make sure it is as clean as it possibly can be. Bring everything over so I can get the movement out. Loosen up the 2 screws. Lift up the bezel, it's on a hinge. Gently remove the movement. We can't accidentally get glue on the movement. Clean the case with rubbing alcohol. Get special UV glue. I have some UV resin. Add a little bit of this resin. Place a little bit of this resin right into that little ridge. Work my way all around the edge. When this stuff hardens, it's going to be very clear, very strong. I'll clean that edge off very carefully. I'll carefully place the crystal in. I'll carefully tap it. You can see it set into the resin. I'll use a UV light. The UV light will harden everything. It can also harden what's here on the aluminum. It doesn't take long, and you can see this stuff is hard as a rock now. Make sure I've got everything, and I'll just set the light right on top. Let it sit there for a couple minutes. I'll verify everything's nice and strong. Push and it feels nice and strong, stable. We'll place the movement back. Usually there's a little tab that needs to go into a hole on the case. Here's the hole right here, so everything aligns correctly. Cleaning a dial can be very delicate. You don't want to rub anything off, but we're just going to make sure all the dust is out. Absolutely no solvents at all, because you don't want to knock the paint off. Bezel down and snap it into place. Spin the screws around to keep the movement into place. Move them until they're opposing on the case. A little wind on the clock. Everything's just like it was 150 years ago. If these old relics could only talk.